Hey there, it's Sandra, and I just wanted to share with you 4 pieces that I am putting in the student show for the square foot show. And I'm not technically a student artist. I've been painting for 28 years, but I was still honored to be invited to this online show run by Julia in Canada. And she does it every month, and she's been doing it since 2020, and it's just a great way to expose artists from all over the United States and Canada. And each piece is 12 inches square, thus the square foot show, and for US dollars they're $200. And so when they go online on the 8th, they'll be available for 24 hours. And there's no bidding wars. It's just you purchase it straight out at $200 for each piece. And I put 4 pieces in, and I want to show you really quickly these lovely pieces. I also did an Asian-inspired theme with waves and just the beauty of the story about the waves and a metaphor to life and the waves that come sometimes crashing. Sometimes there's calm between the waves, and it just kind of is a metaphor to our ebb and flow in life and getting to a better place with each experience. So let me show you my 4 pieces. This is Crane Mountain Wave. Very vivid colors. There is a little bit of metallic gold there, if you can see, in the red moon or sun, and a few little gold accents, but this is that one. And they all are deep canvases with painted edges. No need to frame them. The second one is Asian Golden Waves, and I really love this one too. The third one, and I love the contrast in this one, Moonlit Asian Waves. Very vivid. There is some metallic gold in here too. Very vivid background with the glowing moon and the crashing waves. And the final piece is Phoenix Wave Rising. And of course there's the phoenix that is rising up from the waves. Lovely color contrast. So those are the 4 pieces, and I would love for you to join me in the student show on the Square Foot Show website, and it's www.squarefootshow.com. Go register to get notified with an email, and then you will get a 48-hour preview that will start today, I think. So all 4 pieces. And if someone purchases one, I pay for the shipping, and also you might get a little surprise with it. You never know. So please come join me, and thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.